like reporting latest news and stories about fashion, films and glitz, then a career in fashion journalism should be right for you. Hi, I'm Tanisha Quatra. Welcome to eMango. Let's dive right in to find more about the career of fashion journalism. Fashion journalism is a component of media with a focus on writing and reporting on the latest fashion trends. If you want to be a fashion journalist, then take up any stream after class 10th and pursue any undergraduation after class 12th. Some of the colleges or universities in India are NIFT, Indian Institute of Fashion Technology, JD Institute of Fashion Technology, Indian Institute of Journalism and New Media, Lady Shri Ram College for Women, etc. If the nation is not a barrier for you, then you can even think of foreign universities like Fashion Institute of Technology London, College of Fashion, University of Toronto and many more. It's a right fit career for people with investigative, enterprising and artistic interest and those who possess skills such as active learning, active listening, reading comprehension and writing. Course fees in India is approximately 50,000 to 1.7 lakh in government universities and 3 lakh to 8 lakh in private universities. Course fees across the globe is in US $13,000 to $38,000, in UK £13,000 to £26,000. Salary in India at the entry level you will get approximately 3.36 lakh to 4.2 lakh. At the middle of your career, you will get approximately 3 lakh to 10.2 lakh and at senior level, you will get approximately 6 lakh to 36 lakh. Salaries across the globe is in US 2.28 lakh to 8.64 lakh, in UK 2.4 lakh pounds to 4.8 lakh pounds. Did all that information get you interested to know more? Well, we at eMango helps you to choose the best fit career based on your personality and interest. After a short assessment, we can help you on an end-to-end path design of the right career and help in knowing about various entrance exams from form filling to the place you will apply for. Come on, explore eMango.